Welcome to SYN Code. Your like and subscribe show me that you want more great tutorials. Thank you for your support. Code defines a Python function scan_network, which uses the Nmap library to perform a network scan on a specified target IP. It initializes a nmap.port scanner object to conduct a TCP SYN scan, SS, checks if the target host is online, and if so, it prints the host status and lists all open ports with their states. If the host is down, it prints that the host is unresponsive. Import the Nmap library, which provides Python bindings for the Nmap network scanning tool. Define a function named scan_network that takes a single parameter target, which is expected to be an IP address or range. Initialize an instance of Nmap's port scanner class. This object will be used to run Nmap scans. Use the scan method to perform a TCP SYN stealth scan, SS. This scan type sends SYN packets without completing the TCP handshake, which is less detectable than a full connect scan. Check if the host responded to the scan. State returns whether the host is up or down. If the host is up, print a confirmation message with the target IP. Nmap scan might return multiple hosts if scanning a range. Here, we loop through all detected hosts. Nmap supports scanning over different protocols, like TCP, UDP. We loop through each protocol used in the scan. Retrieve all ports that were scanned under the current protocol. Iterate over each port to display its state: open, closed, filtered, etc. If no response was received, we assume the host is down and print this information. This block checks if the script is run directly, not imported as a module. Common Python practice for script entry point. Set the target IP for scanning. Here, it's a single IP but could be modified to scan a range or multiple IPs. Call the scan_network function with the specified target IP to execute the scan. Now run our code. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.